Tertiary education. Civil Engineering Department of BUT is regarded as one of the best university for the engineering education in Bangladesh. At the tertiary level, universities are regulated by the University Grant Commission. The college providing the tertiary education are under the national university. Each of the medical colleges affiliated with the public universities. Universities in Bangladesh are autonomous bodies administered by the statutory bodies such as the syndicate, senate, academia, council, etc. in accordance with the provision laid down in other their respective acts. Technical and vocational education. The technical and vocational education system provides courses related to various applied the practical areas of science, technology, and engineering, or focus on the specific specialized areas. Course during ranges from 1 month to 4 years. The Technical Education Board control technical and vocational training in the secondary levels. The Directorate of the Technical Education is responsible for the planning, development, and implementation of technical and vocational education in this country. Curriculum is implemented by the BTEB in the technical education system. After obtaining diploma in engineering degree from the institution list below, student can further pursue their educational career by the obtaining a bachelor degree from the engineering and technology university. Normally it takes an additional 2.5 3 years of the coursework to obtain a bachelor degree. Although some students take more than 3 years to do so, they can then enroll in a postgraduate studies. Students can also study CA after the passing HSC or a bachelor degree, and subjects to fulfilling the entry criteria of the Institute of the Chartered Accountant of Bangladesh. The Komalia Polytechnic Institute. It is founded in 1962. It is one of the largest and well-reputed government polytechnic institute. Barsal Polytechnic Institute, one of the largest polytechnic institutes in Bangladesh. Pato Polytechnic Institute. It is one of the largest polytechnic institutes in Bangladesh. Bogra Polytechnic Institute. It is one of the largest polytechnic institutes in Bangladesh. Chittagong Polytechnic Institute provides theoretical and practical education of the basis of engineering and technologies. Jessore Polytechnic Institute. Dhaka Polytechnic Institute, a government technical institute in Dhaka. Fini Polytechnic Institute, created on 29 February 1964. The institute has around 2,000 students. Khulna Polytechnic Institute, a government technical institute in Khulna. Kushtia Polytechnic Institute, the largest polytechnic institute in Bangladesh. Mansingh Polytechnic Institute, established in 1963 by the Ford Foundation. Rajshahi Polytechnic Institute, established in 1963 by the Ford Foundation. Rajshahi Polytechnic Institute, a government technical institute in Rajshahi. Saliat Polytechnic Institute, a state-supported technical academy institute. It was established in 1955 by the Pakistani government. Mangaro Institute of Science and Technology, a non-government technical institute in the Khulna. English language school. English medium school are mainly private schools where all the courses are taught in English except Bengali language subjects are ordinary level O-level. These schools in Bangladesh follow the General Certificate of Education syllabus, where the students are prepared for taking their ordinary level and advanced level examination. Their General Certificates of Education system is one of the most internationally recognized qualification based in the United Kingdom. The ordinary and advanced level examination are English equivalents to the secondary school certificate and higher secondary school certificates examination respectively. Most students sit for these exams from the registered school in Bangladesh who follow the GCE syllabus. Those who do not attend a school that follows the GCE syllabus may also sit their ordinary and advanced level examination from the British Council. These examinations are conducted under the supervision of the British Council in Bangladesh. The GCE examination conducted by the English British Council takes place twice a year. Currently, there are two boards operating from Bangladesh from the ordinary and the advanced level examination, which are at Universities of the Cambridge and International Examination. Bangladesh has recently opened English version schools translating board textbook in English. The recent years in national language policy has given top priority to English languages education in Bangladesh. Madrasa education. The madrasa education system focus on the religious education technique, teaching all the bases of the education in religious environment. Religious studies are taught in Arabic, and the students in the some areas also serve the local areas. Masjid students also have to complete all the courses from the general education system. Many privately licensed madrasas take in homeless children and provide them with food, shelter, and education. E.g., Jamia Tawkulia Renga Madrasa in Shalat. In the madrasa education system, there are two systems. One called the Qumi Madrasa system is privately owned and funded and is run according to the Deobandi system of Islamic education, which rejects the rational science. The other, called the Alia Madrasa system, is privately owned but subsidized by the government. The government spends 11.5% of its education budget on Alia Madrasa, paying 80% of the teacher and administrator's salaries. Qayyumi Madrasa account for 1.9% of total primary enrollment and 2.2% of secondary enrollment. Alia Madrasa accounted for 8.4% of primary and 19% of secondary enrollment. The Alia system is like the general education system, except the Arabic is taught in addition to general education. The Madrasa Education Board covers religious education in government registered madrasa in the secondary level. After passing Alim, a student can enroll for 3 additional years to obtain a Fazil level. Student can go for further general education and earn a university degree. After passing successfully, they can further enroll for another 2 years in obtaining a Kamal level degree.